Good evening. I'm going to answer with you Mathematics 2019 Internal Paper 2, to be specific, question 3, which is on relationships. The question goes as follows. The arrow diagram below represents a relation from set A to set B. From set A to set B. Roman numeral 1, if X is a member of A and Y is a member of B, write the formula for the relation. So if X is the member of A and Y is the member of B, find the formula or the relation. So to find the relation should be in form of Y equal to mx plus c, where y it is coming from the y coordinate, x from the x coordinate gradient, then m it is the gradient, then c it is the y-intercept or the constant value. So now to find m, we have to apply this formula: y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which means you have to pick the first two consecutive coordinates. So we have negative 1,5 and 0,4. 0,4. So in these coordinates we are going to label x1, y1, x2, y2. So to find m, it will be m equal to y2, which is 4, then y1 we have 5 over x2 0 minus x1 negative 1. So gradient equal to 4 minus 5, which is negative 1, over negative times negative, it's positive. So this one will be positive 1. So gradient equal to negative 1. So this is the gradient, which is negative 1. So after finding the gradient, now you have to pick one coordinate. So gradient, we have negative 1. Then coordinate, you can pick any. So I'm going to pick negative 1,5. Then we have to find c. From this equation, y equal to mx plus c. We have to find c. So in this coordinate, negative 1 represents the x value, then 5 represents the y value. So in this equation, we are going to replace where there is y with 5, then where there is m with negative 1, which is the gradient, where there is x with negative 1 plus c. So this one will be y equal to negative 1 times negative 1, which is positive 1, plus c. So this will cross equal sign, it will be 5 minus 1 equal to c, which is c equal to 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. So this is the y-intercept. So upon finding the y-intercept, now you have to conclude the equation. Therefore, y equal to mx plus c. In this equation, which is the general equation of a straight line, you have to replace where there is a gradient with negative 1 and where there is c with 4. So it would be y equal to gradient, we have negative 1. So if we replace where there is m with negative 1, it will be negative x plus 4. So this is the relationship they are looking for, or the equation. So this is how you can go about. Then the next question, find the value of y if x equal to 5. So next question, which is Roman numero 2, they want us to find the value of y when x equal to 5. So now in this equation, where there is x, you have to replace negative, where there is x, you have to replace 5 in order to find y. So it will be y equal to negative, open brackets, 5 plus 4, which is y equal to negative 5 plus 4. So now y will be equal to negative 5 plus 4, which is negative 1. So this is how you can find the value of y. If there are questions, you are free to ask. You are free to comment on my video. Thank you.